who made it.
All right, so what we got is part number W181, made by, I think it's Performance Tool. Yeah, Performance Tool out of Washington. It says made in Taiwan. So do what you will with that information. So includes the battery, and you got your fluid tester. 5 LED readouts indicate percentage of moisture. It is calibrated for .4, can be used on .3, but for estimates only, not for use in .5 brake fluid. Access to reservoir, remove the cap of the brake fluid tester, press the button to power on the device. Green LED will light up. Dip test probes into the brake fluid up to the plastic rim of the test device for 1 second. LED lights will indicate the test results. The test will automatically power off after 12 seconds of inactivity. So, green light means good. No water in the brake fluid. Green and a yellow, less than 1% content in brake fluid. Green and 2 yellows is 2% water in the brake fluid. Green, 2 yellows, and a red is about 3% water content in the brake fluid, and the brake fluid should be changed. Green, 2 yellows, and 2 reds, at least 4%, and brake fluid may be changed immediately. Make sure you wash your test probes off after every use. Replace the battery. The green LED will not illuminate after pressing power button. Remove side panel to access battery compartment. Dispose of used batteries properly. So that's the breakdown. That's the directions. Now let's get into it. Open up the package. Pin goes right. Hold on. Yeah, open that up. Put your battery in. Now we're gonna put that on there like that. Hold on. I don't want to cooperate. All right. So we got that on there. This is where your test leads are at the bottom. Put those test leads in the brake fluid. Make sure it's functioning properly. Green light comes on. The power on, and then it turned off by itself. So let's see what we got. So we got our brake reservoir open. We're gonna push the button, power it on. And I'm kind of scared of what the results is. Ooh. Ooh, that's scary. All right, one more time for the camera. Boom. It's on. So we are right over, right over the limit. Oh, you put it all the way in there. It's at 4. It said 4 lights. So as I suspected, a flush definitely needs to be done. We'll probably try to get to that this weekend. Now, let's talk about some shit, right? Let's talk about some shit. So, not only, because the first time we opened it up, it was low, right?
You know who made it.
So not only did, I don't know, I'm at a loss for words, but not really. Cause I'm just like, I knew that was the issue after I seen the video after the bike cooled down and it went back to normal. I knew that was the issue. So it's like, what the hell? So we're gonna have to, I'm gonna go eat now, but probably before the next time we ride, we're gonna have to pull this cover off and flush that system. I don't know how I should. I would think I'll be able to get it off without taking the exhaust off, but some people have said take the exhaust off. Let me know what you think down in the comments. What have you done? You have to take the exhaust off or not? Yeah, so that's got to be flushed. Got to get all new fluid in there so that we don't have that happen again. And do I even want to check the other side, man? Let's check the other side. Right, so we have the brake reservoir off. Turn on our tester. Green light. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Oh, that thing red. Red. All the way up. Damn shame, right? Now I wasn't gonna say them before. I was gonna let them make it. Let me put this back together. Hey, so welcome back. Afterthoughts. So we just got done checking the fluid. Red on both. Hydraulic fluid, well, .4 fluid used for the brakes as well as the clutch, and both of them have more than 4% moisture in them. So what the flip? So this is where I give you the backstory. So I bought this bike from the dealer, used of course, but it troubles me and makes me think, like, so there was another bike that I was looking at before I ended up Just going for the gusto, getting the one I wanted. And they said they couldn't sell it to me without putting tires on it first. So I'm like, all right, that's cool. That's respectable. You know what I'm saying? Y'all looking out for the best for the customer, right? Yeah, got it. So then I chose this bike, and so because this bike was ready to go. It was ready to go. So this bike was ready to go, and so I took it. It was the color I wanted, had all the add-ons I wanted, etc., etc. Then the clutch thing happened. Probably like 3 or 4 days, well, probably about a week ago. And then I've been shooting these videos and eventually looking into it myself because I'm a DIY person. That's what I do. So, question. What exactly is it that they're checking at the dealership when they take in these used bikes? Because if both my hydraulic fluid or the .4 fluid and my hydraulic clutch and my front brakes has more than 4% moisture, and I'm pretty sure that hasn't happened in the last 2 to 3 months of me owning it. Yeah, kind of makes you wonder. Drop down in the comments if you have a story similar to mine, to where I don't know. Like now, I mean, if I wasn't the mechanically inclined person that I am, then I would have to end up taking this bike to the dealership, and then they're gonna charge me for a flush, for the brakes, a flush and fill, the bleed, for the brakes, and for the hydraulic clutch. Hell, this makes me wonder, was the recall for this 17 Street Glide even done? I don't know that I'm gonna bother with it because of the simple fact that I've been looking at that recluse slave clutch, manual slave clutch. There's a possibility of something I might jump on. So I don't know just yet. Only the future will tell, but yeah, man. Hop in the comments, let me know y'all experience. Not a good look.